Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how can we take screenshot in two different ways. So let's start. First of all, we are going to take a screenshot by pressing Windows and print screen. Yes, and now we can see that in our screenshot profile folder. And here we can see the latest which we are doing now. Yes, that's now we have to 12:17 and it's time 12:17. So this is the way first which we can take a screenshot, and in another way there is one default application in our laptop, that is snap tool. So by pressing here is snap tool, snapping tool. So by clicking here you can choose a new and select the area from where we want to. Suppose I need only this much, then clicking here is the screenshot which we have to, and we can save from here and save in the, suppose I save this capture in desktop. Just and canceling this. So here we can see that screenshot. So this is the another trick where we can take the screenshot.